Hello guys, welcome to the Comfort Tech channel. Today I will gonna show you how to lock your personal data, how to lock your folder without any software, only with the command prompt. I know the people having their personal data like photos, videos, Excel files, PowerPoint presentation, or some of the people who are event organizer, so they have to hide their data if the laptop is shareable. Then let's start with the process. Follow my steps. Open your laptop. Just open the notepad and copy the code which is given in the description. Click on the link and copy the code in the notepad. Let first I show you where is the password, where you have to enter the password for your folder locker. In that row, it's for the password. You just have to change their password with the 12345 or any number. If you want to enter the string, you have to that enter the string in the double quotation mark because it's a string. At that time, I'm only enter the number. Just save the notepad file as a .bat extension. At that time I'm just save on the desktop. It doesn't matter. I'm giving the name that folder locker dot bat. Make sure you have to give the extension .bat. And encoding as a ANSI. ANSI. Save that. Now folder locker.bat is created. Just close the notepad. Just double click on the folder locker.bat. Yes, you have to at first enter the password. I just enter 1234 and enter. You can see one new folder as a locker is created. Just double click on it. In that folder you have to copy paste your personal data. As if I'm copy the one file. New.txt. Close the folder and double click on the folder locker again. Folder locker.bat. Are you sure you want to lock the folder? Yes. Type Y and enter. Can you see the locker folder will be disappear? It's not a hide. If you think it's a hide, then you can go into this PC. Tick the hidden items it's totally disappear. No one can see. Again, for the open that folder, you just have to double click on it and enter the password 1234. You can see that folder again, and your data is secured in that folder. If you are type N, then that lockup folder is not locked. You just have to carefully press Y for the lock folder. Just refresh it, right click and refresh. Boom. There is a one demerit for that folder locker. Anyone can edit your .bat file. Just right click on the folder, edit. You can see that edit button. Just click on it. Anyone can change your password and open your personal data. If you want to make your that .bat file uneditable, then watch my next video. If you are the new viewer, then hit the subscribe button, and if you are the older one, then turn on the bell icon. Thank you. If you have any question regarding to video, then just go to the description and click on the Instagram link and follow me and message me your question.